Okay. So everyone is excited.
Type in the chat
Yes, you
box.
can use it. Okay. So these are the things we are going to learn. First, painting like this. You can write something like this, and we can make something like this too. Okay, so let's start. Everyone have A4 size sheet? Yes. Okay. Whoever have A4 size sheet, what you have to do, first tear your sheet from the middle. We need only half sheet for the first painting. Okay. Keep it aside. Now I'm using half of the half sheet. You have to cut it. Yes, if you want to cut it, you can cut it. We can't see.
Ma'am, just adjust the frame a bit. You can remove the salt and water from the frame maybe for just now. Yeah, I think it's perfectly visible now. Arav, I think it's visible now.
No, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible. You can move on.
Okay. All of you have brushes. Okay. So first, what you have to do, take a clear water. Whatever brush you have, thin, round, and flat. Now, you have to apply fresh water on your sheet. Just like me, I'm doing here. Make your sheet wet. Now I'm going to use blue color. You can use any color, whatever color you want. Ma'am, can you please repeat? Okay. Right now I have done nothing. What you have to do, you have to make your sheet wet. Okay. Clean. You have to apply a clean water. It helps you to spread your color easily on sheet. Now I'm going to use blue color. Make sure the quantity of water is more in the color. As you can see, I don't have to put any extra effort to spread the color on the sheet. That's why first I put a water on the sheet.
Ma'am, can they use any other color?
We can use poster color.
Okay, no, as in the color, ma'am, like any other color than blue.
Yeah, you can use any other color. I already told that you can use any color, whatever color you want. yellow, green, red, whatever color you want.
Okay. So kids, please make sure that you listen very carefully. Ma'am already told that we can use any other colors.
Okay, now I'm going to use pink color at the bottom side of the sheet. You have to keep one thing in your mind, that the color quantity of water is more. No, you can't directly use blue color on sheet. You have to mix quantity of water. I'm going to apply a dark blue color here. Everyone has done with their painting? No. Okay, take your time. We have to sprinkle salt here, so make sure your sheet is wet.
Ma'am, I think Rangam is not able to understand. Rangam, I'll unmute you. What you're not able to understand, beta, can you tell us?
Proper color to make the painting. I don't.
Ma'am,
You can use the. Hello.
Yes, Rangam.
teacher, after the light pink, we use dark pink, teacher.
You can use any color, beta.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. If you want to apply dark color, you can apply dark color too. Now you have to sprinkle some salt. Before you sprinkle salt, make sure your sheet is wet. Yes, you can use color cake. Now I'm going to use salt. Now what you have to do, you have to sprinkle a salt here. Just like this.
अंजुम जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, आप अभी पेंटिंग को देख सकते हैं, मैम जैसे सिखा रही है, एंड देन यू कैन ड्रॉ इट लेटर ऑन. मैम, कैन यू क्विकली टेल द स्टेप्स टिल नाउ? Some students join just now, so they don't know what to do.
I can repeat also.
No, ma'am, I think you can just tell them the steps so that they can do it on their own, and then for others, we'll move forward.
Okay. First, what you have to do, apply a fresh water on your sheet. Then take any color, whatever color you want. Like I have used here blue color and a pink color. When the color is wet, you have to sprinkle salt here when the color is wet. Okay. You can see here that my color is not dry yet. Now you have to wait when till it dry. The whole sheet. You can put salt in whatever shade. No, you don't have to put salt on the whole sheet. Is it color salt? No. You can see here. It's a white salt. Now keep it aside till it dry. Now what you have to do, take the other half sheet. In how much part we have to sprinkle salt? You can sprinkle salt at the bottom of the sheet. Can't do because I don't have watercolor. If you have poster color, you can use that color also. Can we use pink salt? Yes, you can use pink salt.
Ma'am, can you show your drawing once? They're asking.
Okay. As you can see here, salt has started given this beautiful texture to our painting.
Ma'am, so we have to sprinkle salt on the entire sheet, right? Both pink and blue colors.
Yes, you can sprinkle salt on the entire sheet, but the quantity of the salt is less.
Kaina, we'll be giving you a number where you can share your drawing at the end of the session. Just focus on what ma'am is teaching right now.
Now you have to wait till it dry. I already told you, no, you have to wait now.
So Kiran ma'am, the kids are asking, do we compulsorily need to send the drawings by today? So will it take a lot of time to dry out the painting?
No, it take 10 minutes only.
Okay, so kids, you can definitely share your paintings by today itself. It will just take 10 minutes to dry out the painting.
If everyone is done with this, we can move to our next painting till it
Yes, ma'am,
dry.
I think. Yes, ma'am, we can surely move, I think. Most of them are done.
Okay. So take the other half sheet. Painting is dry. We are going to make a spider web. So what we have to do to make you if it is fine, draw a line like this. You can draw this line with a pencil too, pencil, sketch pen, whatever you have. No, I'm using cartridge sheet.
Krishna asked a very beautiful question. Can we write our name also? Yes, Krishna, you can definitely
Yes,
write
you
your
can
name.
write your name too.
We'll be very happy to see your creativity if you want to do something new with the drawing and the technique.
Okay. So make the type of curvy line. Yes, it's a web. Can I make a scenery? Beta, scenery take a time. How to write your name? Okay, after this, I will tell you how you can write your name. Okay. For writing a name, you have to follow the same procedure. First, write your name on the sheet, and after it, everyone has made it. You're using sketch pen. I'm using sketch pen to make you visible, to make this visible to you, but you can use pencil too. Okay. No worry. If your page has no texture, then no worry. If your page is wet, have done. Okay. Everyone has done this. Okay. Now you have to take a glue. And now you have to draw this with the glue. Apply a glue on your painting like this.
Ma'am, we can use Fevistick instead of glue, right?
Yeah, you can use Fevistick too.
Okay.
But it all up to you how you are going to stick your salt on this. Okay.
Jasmine, we have not done, we were just making this web painting right now. So as you can see, the web ma'am has made, and now she's just covering the web with the glue. So just cover till now. Atharvan Sandhi, please draw what ma'am is drawing right now, and we'll surely teach you to write your own name with this technique as well.
If you want to write your name, first write your name with the pen pencil, and after that you have to put apply a glue on this. You have to follow the same procedure for a name. Okay, so I'm done with my favicol outline. Now what you have to do, you have to sprinkle salt on all over the sheet, just like this.
So we are waiting only, Manya. Don't worry, ma'am is just sprinkling salt over the glue drawing that she's made. We'll give you 2 minutes to do this. Don't worry.
You have to cover your web, whole web with the salt. Right. Now you have to wait for a 30-second.
Ma'am, can we quickly draw like one more this structure, the web structure, and show the kids, because Lakshanya is saying she had to leave because of some problem.
Okay, I'm
So-
done with my painting.
Yeah.
Now after that, you have to remove all the extra salt from here. Okay, it will look like this. Now, take a brush. You have to, now you have to take a watercolor. But remember, the quantity of water is more in this. And what you have to do, you don't need to spread the color on the sheet. When you apply just like this, because of the salt, it itself spread all over the sheet. Okay, you can take whatever color you want.
It's actually looking very beautiful, ma'am. And remember, kids, like ma'am told you, you don't have to brush it over the salt, or you don't have to do anything.
You just have to put a brush color like this.
Yeah, you just have to touch it, and the color will like spread.
See, you can take 4, 5, whatever. So everyone got it, what you have to do. What I am doing here, you have to take more quantity of water, mix it with color and just touch it. And it will spread by itself. See? So everyone get it, what do you have to do?
Yes, ma'am. So just that they are asking how they have to draw the cobweb, the web again. So can you take a sheet of paper and draw the web again?
Can we finish this painting first?
Sure. So kids, just focus what ma'am is doing right now. She'll finish the previous painting first, and then at the end we'll show you again how to draw the web. So just focus on what she's doing right now. Carry on, ma'am.
Okay, now you can see my sheet is dry. So what you have to do, you have to remove the salt from here. Slowly remove the salt. And you will get beautiful texture like this. Now I have removed all the salt from my sheet. And I got a beautiful texture like this from the salt. Now what you have to do, take a black sketch pen or whatever sketch pen you have, and you can draw here anything, whatever you want. Now I'm going to draw a fish here. Just like this.
So ma'am is drawing a fish. Actually, ma'am showed the painting in the starting. Remember the fish painting?
So I'm going to draw a fish here.
Nietzsche is asking, can we draw balloons? You can draw anything that you want
You
on this.
can draw anything, whatever you want. If you didn't get a texture, it is because I already told you, when the sheet is dry, wet, you have to sprinkle salt only when the sheet is wet. If you want texture on the sheet, make your sheet wet, and then you have to sprinkle a water, or then you have to sprinkle a salt. Okay. You can make 2 or 3 fish here. Sheet is yellow and orange. You can make a scenery. If your sheet is yellow and orange, you can make a scenery. No, you have to sprinkle salt only when your sheet is wet. Otherwise, you don't get a texture like this. Yes, if you want to smudge a crayon color, you can use crayon too. To show you quickly, I'm using here a black sketch pen. Okay, you can add some seagrass here. You can make a simple grasses like this. If you want to fill a color in this, you can fill a color also. But I have to show you how you can write your name. So I'm not going to fill color in this. You can add some fish, more fishes here. Okay. Basically, you get it what you have to make. Can you show the web painting? Yes, I will show you the web painting after this. Kaina, which color you used? I already told you, you have to use poster color or watercolor. Only then you will get a. Which color?
Ma'am, so one common question that I'm seeing is that they are not getting the texture. So what might be the problem that they're not getting the texture as you?
I think their sheet has not that much quantity of water. I already told them that you have to use lot of water.
Okay, so kids, just remember that you need to use a lot of quantity of water so that you get texture. So ma'am, what we can do is after this, you guys can make one more painting after the session and then just check if you're getting the texture from the salt and take more time.
Even if you increase the quantity of the salt, if you are not getting a texture, then increase the quantity of the salt. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I hope everyone understood. So, ma'am, I think there's a lot of demand for the web painting somehow. So, if kids are done here, we can move on to the web painting. I think kids are very excited about the web painting.
And you also have to wait for the texture. You can see here, I have Okay, everyone want to show, see the web painting again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. First, what you have to do, draw a web, make line like this. And add some curvy line. Now, what you have to do, you have to apply Fevicol on this. You have to cover all the outline with the Fevicol. Just like this. Now everyone doubt is clear now.
So Bhimani is saying that her painting did not dry up after a long time. So Bhimani, just keep it for a little longer. Maybe you applied more water than required, so that's why it's not drying. And Anshum, we will be over with the session in just a few more minutes. Just focus on what ma'am is doing right now. She's doing the web painting.
Now what you have to do, you have to sprinkle salt all over your web.
Till ma'am is showing you the steps, I just want to repeat that all of you are doing amazing, and this is a very beautiful technique that Kiran ma'am has taught us today. So I want all of you to share your beautiful paintings of the fishes, of the web, or anything that you've drawn with salt painting, and share it with us on WhatsApp. I have given the number in the chat box. You can also tag us on Instagram with our ID learnart.in, and do share your paintings in the on Instagram as well as on Facebook in the Art Mela group.
After that, what you have to do, wait for 30 seconds. Now remove all the extra salt.
So I want to clarify that some kids are asking that the name painting, for the name painting. So the name painting is not different from the web painting. For the name painting, you just have to write your name and then put Fevicol over your name and then sprinkle the salt on that. Yes, ma'am. I'm not wrong, right, ma'am?
Yeah, you are absolutely right.
Yeah. So it's the same thing. So just focus on the web painting, and you can use the same technique for the name painting as well.
Now, what you have to do, take a water, mix it with color, and you just have to touch your web, and it will spread all around, just like this. See what I'm doing here? I'm just touching our web. The much quantity of water you take, the much quantity of well will cover with color. You can use other colors also. Like I'm going to use yellow color here. You can use red color also. It's done.
It's looking so beautiful. I wish the real web would have looked so beautiful. I mean, so colorful. So I hope everyone has, made these web. And ma'am, if we have time, we can just show them the
Name
spider
also.
drawing. No, ma'am, the spider drawing. They were asking for animals and spiders.
Okay. First, what you have to do, make a spider, a big oval like this, and a small circle. Make a leg like this. Okay. Now we will do the same thing. We have to cover this with a favicol. Cover all the lines with favicol. Now what we have to do, we have to sprinkle a salt, right? Just like this. Now remove the extra salt. You will get texture like this. And now what you have to do, now I'm going to use a black color for the spider. I'm going to mix some quantity of water and just touch your spider with the brush. You don't need to spread color all over the spider. If you want to fill this, the inner portion with the black color, you can do this also. So here your salt spider is ready.
And it is looking very beautiful, ma'am. I hope other kids have also made the salt web painting.
Yes, a
Ashad and
third
Shanti.
ये बेटा ये नहीं फैलेगा. I have done it 2 times. So I'm not getting that. So when you all are done, please share your picture of your painting on our WhatsApp number, and you can also tag us on our Facebook and Instagram page.
And if you've done your painting, can all of the kids show the painting right now? We'll be very happy to see whatever progress you've made in the session. So if any of you could just showcase your paintings. All of the kids are engrossed in making the painting. I can see Sharon. Sharon has written her own name, very beautiful. Kamalika, very pretty. You can see Bhanupriya's drawing, very beautiful. Vandana, Shaurya, Vani, very good. Ikra.
Everyone has done the beautiful painting.
Yeah, and all of them have added some of their own
Purva,
elements.
it's beautiful. Purva has made a beautiful web.
Nimish and Rajvi, your drawings are
Sai
also
has
very
also
beautiful.
made a beautiful web.
Great,
Okay.
ma'am.
So everyone has made a beautiful painting.
Yes,
Okay.
very good, Yashita.
Some are all great. Oh, Nimish has also done a beautiful.
Looks like all of them learned a lot from you, Kiran ma'am. Thank you so much for this amazing salt painting session. Even I learned a new technique today. Even I was not aware of it. So thank you so much for the session, ma'am. I hope all of you learned something new today and you are going to use this technique to make much more beautiful drawings and, use your imagination, write your own name or just draw the fish painting scene like ma'am draw. And
Whoever
we are
are
very
asking
happy.
for the second painting, so here these 2 paintings which we have made today. Okay.
Kamalika, can you please ask your doubt in the chat?
Ma'am, some are asking that how we can tag us on our Facebook and Instagram page.
So on Facebook, we have a group called Art Mela. Okay, Learn Art Mela. So you can just join that group and share your paintings in that group. Or also you can tag Learn Art on Facebook and also on Instagram. Instagram ID I've already shared. I'll share the message again. Our Instagram ID is learnart.in. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll share all the links on the WhatsApp group that we've made in just a few more minutes.
And some are asking that we have any other activity on tomorrow. Yes, we have other activity on tomorrow also. You can register yourself on our learnart.com. Ma'am will share the link for the
Yes,
other activity.
we will share the link in the WhatsApp group as well. Thank you so much for attending the session today. Thank you so much, Kiran ma'am, for teaching us this wonderful technique. Thank you everyone who joined, and do come for the other sessions of LearnArt as well, of Artmela as well. I hope you all keep learning, keep smiling. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye everyone.